Hello dear students, how are you all? Dear students, today we will perform one activity to prove an identity of mathematics. This is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So for that we have taken one square whose side we have assumed here a plus b. All sides are equal of a square. We know that a plus b, this side will be equal to a plus b, and this will be also equal to a plus b. Now the area of this whole square will be equal to area of square abcd equal to a plus b into a plus b, because the area of a square is side into side, so it become a plus b whole square. Now what we will do, we will split this whole square into four different shapes. The first shape is of square. Square is here, square will be made up of the side a centimeter, and this side will be also equal to a. Now the area of this square 1 will be equal to a square, and the second figure we have this whose side one side equal to a and second side will be equal to b, means the area of this rectangle second will be equal to length into breadth a into b, and the third figure will be equal to again it is equal to a rectangle whose side is a and b. So area of this rectangle number 3 will be also equal to a into b, and the fourth figure will be equal to square whose each side will be equal to b, and the area of this square will be equal to side into side b into b. So now what now here the area of a whole square equal to the area of these four figures, which is equal to a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now in order to justify this identity, let a is equal to 10 centimeter and b is equal to 5 centimeter. The left hand side a plus b whole square will become equal to a, put the value of a equal to 10 and b equal to 5. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. 15 whole square equal to 225 centimeter square. Now take the right hand side, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Side a is 10 and side b is 5. Put these values and solve it. You will get 225 centimeter square. Here left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore we have proved this identity, which is equal to a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Thank you very much.